whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā kona whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Hare hare mai, o Taringa hare hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Ngai taringa mā o wi o wā hoki mai ki te punua pāho, whakahira, whakamiharo, ahua kumara tērā hoi anō, e rere nei ngā reo pōwhiri kia koutou o mātou toko toru.
Kia ora.
I tēnei rā, nō reira, e te tuahine, nau mai hoki mai, o tira, nau mai haere mai, me tā tātou pēpi.
Kia ora, paita ki te ia kōrua.
Tēnō.
Kia ora.
Feels like it's been ages.
It's been a good, I don't know, e toru marama?
Yeah.
Yep.
So te kaumātahi wiki, te kaumātua tō Pēpi nānei.
Yep.
Oh, che. Nira.
Yep. She is 11 weeks old.
Ko ai anō tō nei ingoa?
Mai ea.
Yep.
Mai ea,
te tupua, mai ea, te tawhito, mai ea, te kauhi o ngariki.
Yes. She's pretty cool. You can't fault her, I love her to bits. It's pretty cool to be, and scary at the same time, to be needed by someone that much. You know what I mean? Yeah, she's cool.
Rawe, and pai, kei ko nei a mai ea e te iwi, but she has been
pēpi
napped.
She's been pēpi napped.
I tai mai o mātai hoa, o tētahi, and I haven't seen this. Well, she woke up I konei and graced us with her lovely mene.
Yes, she loves a kōrero, loves a smile.
Ana, and now she's being pēpi napped.
Yeah.
She's somewhere in the building I konei I te wānanga o te roa. E whakapāho atu nei, taringa kia koutou I te bustling metropolis o Te Awa Pitu. Yeah, and I don't know, maybe we might see her again and she might be a part of this recording.
Yeah, she might chop in. Yeah, it'll be a first recording.
Ana. Hoi anō, I muri te tahuritanga ki tā tātou kaupapa, kiwaha. Tēnei kiwa e hangai puana ki te piwari. O te pēpi, o te ofa. Aia. So I heard this at the Tokoroa Kura Reo. Aia o awaya. Aia o awaya.
Aia. Yeah, and Kingi Kiriono was talking about it when they first took their pēpi to a nanny and I whakahuatea te nanny. Aia.
I think it was awaya.
Awaya.
Yeah.
Must be
awaya.
Awaya. Because we've talked about awaya before, eh?
Yeah. Have we?
We have.
Have we?
We have.
Well, they were so good. We're going to talk about it again. And then we can talk about Aya.
Aya, okay then, yeah. Aya.
Yeah, so that was a bit of a backtrack. And because Pēpi is here, it's good that. So maue kōrero hea wana kōrero mo te awaya.
Awaya is it's an expression of how cute a baby is. So it's awaya.
Yeah.
Aya.
It's interesting too because we had a wānanga I Parawera. I think it was last year, and my auntie was talking about te rākau a tāwhio that grows behind the wharenui at Parawera. And they would take babies there to settle them. And, you know, tētai o a tātou tikanga is when you poi your child to the four winds.
Yes,
so he te tikanga muti ake tēnā.
Ana.
Oh, okay. Pēnei au e mea hori.
Kao, he mea, yeah, that's what they used to do there at Parawera. And actually, someone had their pēpi there. And when she got the pēpi, she was like, awaya. When she was, and I was going, ka pai, to hear her using that awaya.
Yeah, che.
Or pēpi. And just because, you know, I finished te tira mai nā rangi, that's how te poitanga got its name, te poi. You drive through on the way to Taringa. Before you go over the ranges is where Raukawa was.
Wow.
So, te poitanga o Raukawa.
Te poitanga o Raukawa. Che.
So I thought that was a tikanga of when after they're first born and you take them home.
Yeah.
So why would they have done that to Raukawa?
It's to settle it's to settle the pēpi too.
Yeah.
Yeah, koe nā tētahi kōrero. Well, back then, and I don't want to go because it's probably another kaupapa kōrero, but in effect, she was now in Tainui territory after crossing the Kaimai.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it wasn't as iwi-centric as it is now in terms of here's Raukawa, here's Maniapoto, because there was no Ngāti Maniapoto yet. There was no Ngāti Raukawa yet. There was
Tika.
no, but
True.
this side of the kaimai was inhabited by Tainui waka.
Her closer kinsman, kinfolk, yeah.
Yeah. So tērā. So yeah, tērā awaia.
Awaia.
And is there a purpose for facing them towards the 4 winds, or is it just a nice number to settle them?
Well, ngā hau e whai. Yeah.
Yeah, he pure.
I roto, yeah.
He momo pure.
Stepped into the winds of Tāwhiri Mātea. Aye.
Ka pai.
Okay.
Well, while we're on awaia, we'll switch to aia as an extinction in this kiwaha. So we've got another kiwaha in there. And because I forgot that we've done awaia.
Same.
And we
It's
got
been
that.
a long year. It's been a long.
It's been one of those years.
It's been one of those years. One to be remembered.
It has.
So aia is an exclamation of surprise.
Aia.
Yeah.
Koia hoki.
Aia.
Aia.
So aia I ware au taku waia. Oh, geez, I forgot my phone.
Aia taku kōnui.
Yeah.
Wāmara.
Yeah. Aia.
Aia.
This reminds me of our trip home from the coast the other day, where I was like, she's here in the car.
I left baby on the roof.
Oh my God, is she in here? She was too quiet. I was like,
Aia, where's baby?
had to look behind me and make sure she was still in the back.
Not about babies on the roof, but before the hiding, I left my sunglasses on the roof.
Oh, yeah.
And whakarongotai, e hara I ai te he, but he drove off and then I was like, which way did you go? Oh, such and such way. And I found them down the
Oh
road.
my gosh.
And then those same glasses, last week he went for a trip. So get this, I couldn't find them at the marae, and then I went to the AGM in Tokoro.
Yeah.
So it was about a 60k drive
Yep.
there and then back. And I said to Nahui, have a look around the pā, you might find them. And we switched marae, and I pulled over on the side of the road because they were walking. And she goes, there's your glasses there. They were on the top of our waka. So I went all the way to Tokoro and back.
Oh
They didn't
my
come off.
goodness.
They had the stem or whatever that part of the glasses had got
It lodged
stuck.
into the-
Yeah,
yeah.
and they went all the way over. So, ka pai Ray-Bans.
Ka
Poor
pai.
Buddy,
Aia!
yeah.
And when I
Aia.
saw them, I was like, aia! There they are. So there you go, te iwi got 2 for 1 i te atanei.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
had a bit of a hoki whakamuri with awaia, and then we introduced aia.
Yeah.
And there's a whole lot of kiwaha like that, like we and
We
o
and-
and u and yeah.
Gather up close, everybody.
So tērā, nō reira, ka tahuri tātou ki tā tātou kaupapa kōrero. And in true Taringa fashion, we changed the kaupapa i tēnei ata.
Just like that.
Ana,
Yep.
I runga i te hokinga mai o
Ai.
Erika, me tā tātou pēpi, haringa mai o tā tātou pēpi, and interestingly, pēpi and pēpi are loan words,
Kia ora.
but they've become embedded in our reo.
Pera i te māma me te pāpā.
Yeah, we didn't have a word for baby. Nohi is a term.
Ai.
Would it just have been moko, maybe?
Piripoho,
Piripoho.
Oh, yeah, piripoho, yeah.
piripoho,
Ai.
pekepoho
Peke poho.
is one, but
Yeah.
I learned pekepoho from Tūhoi.
Yeah, same. I learned it as the pōtiki.
Yeah, as the pōtiki, eh?
Oh, okay.
So ka peke ia i ngā poho,
Yeah.
ngā kuia ngā...
Oh.
So koira te haere mai ia i tēnei wā tonu ko haere ki te peke poho.
Yeah,
Yeah,
kei te
ai,
peke poho.
Yeah.
Yeah, engari ko te pēpe, pēpi, and pē.
Te pē. Ai,
Yeah.
ai.
I think I made that up.
What? Pear.
Yeah. I started using a few years ago.
Haere mai e pē.
Yeah. And now I've heard it a lot, and I think I made that up.
Hey,
Yeah.
Heard it here first.
Yeah,
we have the platform to rewrite a street kei
Yeah,
koe.
a shortened version of pēpe.
Ai,
So
ai.
you can say, hara mai e pē.
Hara mai pē.
Yeah,
Yeah.
e mai e pē.
And what I found, and I've used it recently, is ofa in the Wiremu dictionary as a baby, but of the age that is able to turn over by themselves.
Oh.
He ofa tēnā.
We
Yeah.
talked about this, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I kōrero,
Ofa.
Yeah.
I kōrero sia te ofa.
Nā te mi te kōrero kētawa mo te whakaponora.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think I roto hoki tērā i te tiki nara a Tainui. So,
Yeah.
ko te kaupapa i tēnei rā, te reo ki te pēpi.
Te reo ki te pēpi. Kaua ko te reo o te pēpi.
Ana, kaua ko te kawai. And i te mea, kei konei Erika, tana pēpe, tātātou pēpe, and you hear we're using tātātou.
Ai.
Yeah.
Aha, ko nā kōrua ake te pēpe, engari, nā tātou te pēpe, whakaro Māori, and pāpā puaheiri, and tātou. Kōrero mo te reo ki te pēpe. So yeah, Erica, how's it be? Pewhia tōre o ki tā tātou pepe I nei wiki nei?
Yeah. So I've been trying. I mean, I've been struggling a lot. I find myself repeating the same things. And then every now and then, like, if I'm, like, feeding her or whatever in the lounge and I might have ako on TV, and then I'll get reminded of a sentence structure and then I'll go hard with that sentence structure for the day.
Ka pai.
But then there's so many times where I've been, like, trying to say something and I'm like, oh, what's the word for that? And I'm like, okay, get the Māori dictionary, get my phone out. Māori dictionary, he ha te kupu Māori more burp.
Ai.
He ha te kupu Māori more hiccups.
Yeah.
You know, all these things I've never had to think about. And it reminds me of what Scotty was saying back in our 100th episode
tika.
about how, you know, they had to learn how to talk with a baby or with children. Yeah.
So hea etahi o rerenga, what some of your rerenga you've been using, and then we can maybe talk about some ones that you're wondering about.
Well, a lot of the times where I suppose it's easier is when we're in the car and I'm trying to get us from A to B and she's not having a bar of it in her car seat and I'm sitting in the front driving. I'm like, ka haere tawa ki blah blah blah. Ka haere tōtika tawa ki te rori o Mairoa. Ka tahi ka peka atu ki te rori o Seren. Just trying to, like, I don't know,
Oe rawe tira.
distract
Yeah,
her.
Yeah.
And just trying to tell her what we're up to because I've ran out of songs or, you know, she's not digging my songs or something. So I just try and narrate what we're doing.
Yeah, ka pai. How te kupu mo burp?
Toka puaha.
Toko puaha.
Or was it, hang on,
Yeah, toko puaha.
or was it puhake? Or was that hiccups?
Kupa.
Kupa.
Oh, kupa, yep.
Yeah.
How te
Pupa.
pupa. How te toko Māori? Is that hiccup
Yeah.
as well? Oh,
Yeah,
hiccup.
toko Māori.
Oh, no, I had a different one for hiccups.
Do you use like when, like, to calm, or when you're saying, you know, do you say kia tau?
Not
Kia tau,
really.
kia tau.
Not
Kia tau,
really.
kia tau.
I could do that one.
Yeah, that's one to add. Kia tau.
Kia tau, e tau e rea, e
Yeah.
tau.
Well, I do a lot of
Kia
e moi.
Yeah, e moi.
E
So
moi.
they're definitely those
Yep.
kupu whakahau.
Yeah.
Aye.
And that's a good one too because some people today still use haere ki te moi as in going to sleep, but you just say e moi.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
E
So
moi.
I bought Hemi Kelly's Puka Puka,
Kia ora, Hemi.
the Māori phrase one.
Aye.
And every now and then I'll open up the book and then that's my phrase for the day.
Ka pai.
And one of the first ones I read in there was e moi o karu.
Ai e moi o karu, yeah. Pai tēnā.
So I use that one a lot for go to sleep. Something else I'd say a lot is like when she wakes up and be like, morena, and all of that, and then be like, oh, kei te oho koe.
Aye.
And then I kind of struggle from where to go to from there.
Kia māma, koina te mea nui.
Yeah.
Hey, I think you've been doing great.
Yeah, and you get to have your own little conversations as mamas
Ana.
do with their babies. They have their own conversations and that's where you get heaps of practice time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's like heaps of like, ine.
Ine.
Hey.
Yeah, when
Yeah,
they-
true.
Ine.
when they're replying to you like, oh, ine,
Yeah, ine. Oh, ine.
Yeah.
Koira e tehi.
Taringa.
What about when they're, when you know they're hungry?
I do a lot of the tense structures.
Yep.
So, kei te hia kai koe. And I try not to do, because I've always sort of grown up with mate kai as being the word for hungry.
Yeah.
And then it wasn't until I learned, it means you're like dying of hunger.
You're starving.
Yeah, starving. So I'm like, I'm consciously trying to make the effort to just do hia kai, hia moi, hia inu,
Aye.
instead of
Hia
mat-
u.
Hia u.
Hia u.
Hia u,
Yes.
Aye.
Because that's, how te, is it ngote, momi,
Ngote, yeah. Kai.
kai,
Aye.
Is
Kai
ngote
pō.
to suck?
saku, yeah.
Aye.
Suck, okay.
Yeah. Koina e, kei te whakaaro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I heard someone talking, I think it was some Māori midwives, and they were talking about mene tikana te ngote a pēpi ki kia mama if they're latching properly.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's why I heard the use, and I was thinking, oh, that must be the word for latch.
Yeah.
Making sure they suckle properly because you
Yeah.
can have problems with
Yeah.
latching on. Yeah. So some of those kupu, thinking about how to use those, because they're different contexts now, eh?
Yeah.
Whakakupa.
Whakakupa, oh yeah,
Oh,
to
to
birth
wind.
them.
Yeah.
There's your
Wind,
whaka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To make wind, to bring wind, yeah.
Yeah. So if I was trying to tell her that I'm going to burp her, what would be an appropriate way to say that using whaka?
Ka whakakupa au ia koe ni.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I always get stuck on
Oh,
when
me
to put a
whakakupa.
when to
Yeah.
put a
I've got
whaka at the start of a word.
Yeah.
Or, you could even like say to pēpi, kupa mai.
Kupa mai.
mai.
Kupa mai. Oh,
Why
to
is
bring
that?
it up.
Yeah.
Bring it up.
Bring it
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Yeah.
Kupa mai, kupa mai.
And
Yeah.
you get this when you make little songs for yourselves,
Yeah.
little jingles.
What were some of the songs that you used with your girls?
Oh, no. You don't. Io matua mali.
mai.
Yeah, kupa mai. Kupa.
Kia puta mai, te hau o te kai. Oh,
Yeah. Koe hoki. But, you know, that's your time to make your own jingles up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
part
can't
of
see
the-
us, but we're sitting here pretending we're...
Yeah, we got
Kei te
that.
popo.
Kei te popo. Ai,
And
ai.
even that popo,
Pawpaw.
popo ia te pepe.
Oh, how popo.
Yeah,
How tēnā?
that.
Oh, the action.
Yeah,
The action
patting
of
the
patting.
back of the...
Yeah. Che.
Popo.
Popo.
That's where I think we get the word popo from for that mōteatea,
Oh, yeah.
as they would have sung it to the baby. When they say the popo is when you're patting or rubbing the back.
Yep.
Hamama popo is this.
Ah, yep. Over the mouth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you're yawning and you go,
Oh,
that's hamama
that's
popo.
hamama. Me?
Yep.
But when you pop, yeah, that's you. But popoia is comforting.
Comforting, yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
As
and
in
you're patting the
soothing.
back. Yeah, soothing. So kei te popo,
Like-
popoia.
Is it like poi poi?
Or poipoia is popoia.
Ah, okay. Popoia is the...
Yeah, poipoia is to do this.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah.
We're cradling now.
Yeah.
E te-
Oh, so
Yeah.
poipoia
Like
is
this.
to cradle.
Yeah.
That's popo.
Yeah.
Kei te popo.
Yeah. So
Popoia.
you have them leaning against you, but
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's what I'm
Like
saying.
that,
Not to
or
be
like that.
mistaken with poi poi, which is to... And now we use it as nurture. Nā, tēnei iwi a haui poi poi roto i ngā tau.
Ana,
You know, yeah.
ana.
Poi poi napi. It's a nurse.
oh,
So, yeah, when
nappy,
you know,
nappy, I'm running
the
this
word
down.
popo, you have there's a title, no tūranga nui aki
Yeah,
wa te
yeah.
ori.
Te ori, yeah.
Popo e tangi ana tama ki te kai mana. Te whāna apanui sing it as
Whānau,
well.
yeah. It's not tūtere moana wa nei.
I think it was, no, that's what it's called, popo.
Oh, yeah.
Popo e tangi ana tama ki te but te haerenga mai o te kumara.
Aye,
So I
aye,
think
aye,
that
aye.
they would have been singing
Singing
those waiata while they actually,
Yeah.
kei te popo i te pepe.
Ka
Yeah.
pai.
Popo e tangi ana tama. Yeah. Even little ori, you know, you could write.
That'll be really testing my abilities.
Or you keep it simple.
Keep
Use
it
your
simple.
pepeha.
You were born on this day and you came from the maunga of this and you're...
That's a great idea.
Maunga, kōrara te aua.
Yeah.
Te mō ana e. Ko mata tua te waka, tauira te waka. That's a simple ori.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
could
yeah.
you could sing.
And you talk about your kaitiaki, which could be your kuri. Yeah.
Yeah, there's some
could be.
whakaro there for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, ki te pepe. Kia
One of the
mai ia.
waiata that we sing often to her is one that was written about our wharekai. It's pretty much just a line of whakapapa. But our wharekai's name is Hine Te Rā, who she was Pararaki's wife and the mokopuna of Hauiti. So that's my baby's middle name.
Che.
So, like, oh yeah, sweet, already got you a song.
Yeah. Yeah. And these are how, back in the day, or even today, knowledge was handed down, started through lullabies
Yeah,
and ori.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I think when Pākehā saw our tūpuna, like Best and different ones, singing these mōteatea to babies, they said, oh, it's a lullaby. When really it was more than a lullaby.
Yeah.
Because to me, like a lullaby is to put the baby
Te
to sleep.
whakawai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I do think they had them, but I think to label some of our compositions like Pōpoe and Te Ori, I think to label Ori as a lullaby is quite shallow.
Kia ora.
But we perpetuate that by using lullaby as a definition
Tika.
of what those are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say it was a...
It's like a transfer of knowledge.
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah, to the pepe.
Yeah.
And if you imagine, if you sang that one of Tu Tere Moana, which is about 10 verses.
That's massive, yeah.
or even pōpō, any of those, you're singing that to a baby every day, they're going to learn.
They're going to learn it,
Yeah.
Yeah, so
They are so smart.
for those of you mothers, fathers that have pēpi, and you know, you can make your own ori up just by using your pepeha and putting a simple rangi to it. Yeah, and if you sing that to pēpi every day, they'll be, by the time they're ready to go to kohanga reo.
Yeah.
They'll
And
know some stuff,
that'll just help myself, to be honest.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know,
Be reaffirming that knowledge to myself.
ana.
And yeah, that's a big part of educating your tamaiti. People think you start it when they go to kohanga, but if you can do it, and some people, if they're lucky enough to start it when kōpū tono na te mama, they start doing those waiata o ori,
Yeah.
mō tētea. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's a massive start. It's a big start.
Yeah,
It's a
definitely.
big step.
What are some other areas? I know it's pretty hard when you just put on the spot.
Yeah. Just go through your day. Go through your
What are
day.
some
Yeah,
places that you think you want to use more te reo or you're a bit unsure of, maybe of?
I guess just kind of expanding my repertoire further than me tini tō kope.
Wow. Another ones I used to use, ko mia te kope. Ko mia te kore, ki etai e kore e kope.
Oh.
Ko tikoina te kope.
Ah,
And
yeah.
have you soiled your...
Kua.
Yeah. You know, it's been soiled.
Yeah.
Ko tikoina te kope, ko mia.
Kua mia.
Yeah.
Kia hau te kupu mia.
That's the thing of mimi.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Ko mia.
Passive.
Passive of mimi,
Ko
yeah.
mia, ko tīkona, ko...
write that one down.
Yeah, me tini kope.
Right. Me tini kope.
I do a lot of... Oh, like when I'm undressing her,
Yep.
you know, to change her nappy. I don't know, I'm just like, tangohia o kakahu. And then I don't know how to expand on that.
Yeah.
I used to say whakakākahutia.
To be dressing her.
Yeah. Ka whakakākahutia koe.
You can even say e kuhuna o
Yeah,
kākahu.
kahuna's the one
Put your
now.
clothes on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
kuhuna o kākahu. And you can go through them too, you know.
Yeah.
Kuhuna tō poraka.
Tōringa, kuhuna tōringa ki te,
yeah.
or have this,
Yeah, because see,
the sleevey.
when I'm trying to
good.
get her through the sleeve or her leg in
Yeah.
the
Right.
pants,
Yeah.
I'm like, homai o ringa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And
that's
my,
another way for me to say it.
Good
Yeah.
time to start maui and matau as well.
Yeah.
Maui
yes.
e katau.
Yeah,
Taha
'cause
maui,
Kuhuna
taha
tō ringa
katau.
maui.
Yeah,
Kuhuna
yeah.
tō ringa
Terrible
matau.
with my
And
left and right.
because of Moana, my youngest mania, she goes, taha maui for who? Taha maui, taha Moana. But that's because I'm like, taha matau. She goes, no, Moana. Because of Maui
Maui's
and
on that
Moana.
side.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
I was like, sorry, a bit slow. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Hey.
And sometimes I'll go Te Whiti, which is the other
The,
Papatuanuku in
Yeah. Yeah.
the movie. But
so,
yeah,
hang on, I will need to go back to that. So kuhuna, or what'd you say for?
kuhuna tō ringa maui,
Yeah.
kuhuna tō ringa matau, katau.
I'm just writing those on
No
my
he te
notes.
katau.
I usually say katau.
I usually say matau. And I think because it's quicker than, well, it goes from M to M.
Yeah. Kuhuna. Yeah. Unuhia, tangohia.
Unuhia, yeah, pai te unuhia.
Yeah.
So you take off.
Tangohia.
Yeah, after a feed, I usually do a bit of, kua ki tō puku.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ko ngata,
What was the other one? Kua tinga.
ko
Yeah.
tinga te ngārara.
Yeah, those are cool.
Those are mean, yeah.
Yeah. Kua ki
Because
tō
I remember that one from our episode.
yeah.
I think it was from our Christmas episode last year, eh?
Yeah, it was
Tinga,
after the
Ngangara.
the indulgent activities we partake in during the festive season.
Kua mākona.
Ko mākona.
Kua rauru.
Rauru, pai te rauru.
Rauru.
Kua rauru.
Ko rauru.
Kua rauru, ne?
Ko nā.
Yeah.
Ko
Kua
nā.
kanui tēnā.
Ka nui tēnā, he.
Ai.
How te whainu? Is it the action or just
To drink, to give drink.
to give drink, to
yeah.
whāngai?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What about when, like, so she might start fussing and I'm trying to do something like, I don't know, finish the dishes or finish hanging out the washing. And instead of me being like, hang on, I'm like, wait on, I'm coming. Like, what's a different way? What's a way I could say it?
Taihoa.
Taihoa.
Taihoa,
Tateri,
kia tau.
kia tau,
Kia tau.
kare roa.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So,
Taihoa,
so
kia tau.
simple, yet I can't think of these on the spot.
Me tatari kia mutu taku
Yeah.
Yeah. Me tatari kia muti taku horoi kākahu, kia muti taku kai, kia muti taku whatever. Yeah, me tatari. And for all the listeners, you know, kia mahara mai ko te e kupu mahi te tatari. E hara i te, so kaue ki ki tētai, tatari, you have to put that in a sentence.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas tai hoa, you can
Yeah, kupu
get
whakahau.
away. Yeah.
Kupu whakahau, yeah.
Wait there.
Wait there.
You can use it as a standalone.
Halt.
Yeah,
Okay.
And it's tatari ki au.
yeah,
Kaua ko te tatari mōku.
yeah. Tatari ki au.
Tatari, wait for me.
Okay.
E tatari anau ki te pahi.
What would, if you were to say tatari moku?
People think mōku is for me in that sense, but it's not. It's so wrong I don't know how to translate that. Tatari mōku.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, tatari.
What else?
He kupu mahi te whanga?
Yeah, well, whanga is i.
Oh, e.
Tatari ana ki te pahi, e whanga ana i te pahi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Che.
And, you know, tētai whakamārama ki au, nā tētahi o mātou ruruhi, and this is how I use it now because of this, ko tāna kōrero, ka tatari te kuia i te mokopuna, ka whanga te mokopuna i te kuia. So her thing was, you wouldn't say kei te tatari te mokopuna i te kuia because the mokopuna should be waiting there patiently.
Oh,
But
yeah.
tatari is when you're like, how do I describe it?
Yeah, you're like, there's an eagerness to keep going, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you're waiting patiently for your kuia. But the kuia can wait. It's okay for her to be impatient with her mokopuna and not arriving, but not the other way around.
E tatari ana te...
Ka tatari te kuia i te mokopuna. So they might get to a point when, shit, Nan's not here. Where the bloody hell's Nan? You know, or kei te tatari koe.
Oh, yeah.
But whanga is when you're just waiting, you know, you're waiting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's no anticipation.
Yeah, anticipation.
You're not
Waiting
anticipating.
in anticipation. Urgency.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kei te whanga.
Kei te whanga.
We're just
E noho noa ana, kia tai
calmly
mai.
waiting.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
It's going to happen.
something's happening, but you're...
Che, pai tēnā.
Well, kare mohana me he pēranga whakaro etahi atu engari. Something I want to revisit, actually.
Pai tēnā.
Tērā, te whanga me te tatari. But yeah, me whanga ko i kona.
Me whakaronga pi kari kari.
What about for like clipping her into her car seat?
So I'd probably say whitiki.
Whitiki, yeah.
Whitiki.
Yeah.
Whitiki ria tō tātua.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whitiki taua.
Yeah.
Because that is, you know, whitiki.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say whakamau.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Man, that's the usual one you'd go to.
Yeah,
I
so
used to say that until I
What?
revisited Whitiki.
what's the difference there?
Well, whitiki is because you're clasping, eh? Or it's
That action, not the restraining action.
Yeah.
Whakamau is to restrain.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And see, I even used to do that, whakamau kākahu.
Yeah.
To put on
Kia
clothes.
mau, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Kia mau i o kākahu.
Okay. Noted.
Yeah, not whakamau kākahu.
Yeah, what
E
the...
mau i tō tīhate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just writing this down.
And koina te rere ki o te mau i tēnā horopaki, you can use it like that. Put on your t-shirt. Yeah, kia mau i tō tīhate.
Kia mau i tō tīhate, yeah.
Te mau, kia mau i tō pōtai. So whitiki, kia mau, yeah,
Okay, cool.
tātua.
So whitiki, then what?
Whitiki, okay, it means to fasten, eh?
Yeah, well there's that saying, yeah, I roto i tētai wea, kia whitiki ria ki te mauria whiritoi. It's talking about putting on the belt of the mauria whiritoi. It's whitiki ria. There's lots of kupu like that, you know, I think I shared on the Taringa about how we discovered hume for putting your maro on.
True.
Oh,
Yeah, so hume tō maro, which we have in
and
the
it only
karakia te tāne.
applies to that context?
To maro.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking, well, because we wear bottom garments, maybe we could repurpose hume instead of kia mau.
Hea te hume, he momo here.
Oh, yeah, so hume is a word, or hume is word specific to donning the maro.
True.
Yeah, but maybe we could repurpose it for our bottom garments.
Bottom garments, aye.
Yeah. Aua, I think if there's some kupu there that you can only use, that's the only way I've seen hume used.
Yeah. And you'd have no qualm of bringing that into a current state of use.
I think we should have those conversations, like whitikiria, and
Yeah.
we've got some kupu there.
Cool. And unfastening, I use unuhia.
Oh, okay.
Unuhia tō tātua. Because you're taking
Unuhia.
it out of the latch
Yeah.
to take out of or to take off.
Yeah.
Just like closed unuhia.
Okay, cool. Got that.
Yeah, I think that's the
Tangohia,
difference
you-
there with tangohia and
Yeah.
unuhia tō pōtai, eh?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so there's heaps you can practice with pēpi. And
Yeah,
positive reinforcement.
Positive reinforcement.
Yeah, for myself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Because I need
Yeah,
it.
but it is. Do you start using a lot of passives because they're instructional,
Yeah.
and so then you start.
Yeah, and I think that's where I need to get to is
Yeah,
using
yeah.
passives instead of what are the other ones called when they're not passives?
Oh, just the different tenses. Yeah.
The tense ones.
And then instructional design, instructional languages
Is
a lot
passive,
of
eh?
a lot of passives. Yeah. Apart from blah blah blah, moi o karu.
Yeah. But if I'm doing it in an instructional way, it'll be me, blah, blah, me passive.
Yeah, instruction. That's actually me is more of a he
Should.
whakahau. Yeah, it's more of a, well, I suppose it depends on the tone, but it's like, yeah, that's what you should do.
Yeah.
Yeah, as opposed to a suggestion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have been, like, just for example, on Ako, they were using, like, asking why. Mm-hmm. So I have been doing that. He aha koe I tangi ai.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
That kind of thing. And then I remembered, like, I can use kia kore ai, blah, blah, blah as well.
Yeah.
So I went through a day of, I was doing whakamau kākahu.
Yep.
Kia kore ai e makariri.
Yeah.
And then,
Ko hana tō pora kia kore ai koe e makariri.
yeah. What else was I trying to do? Oh, and like I'll be doing the e moi o karu, kia kore ai e nge.
Kia pai tā tātou haere.
Yeah.
Kia roa te moe a mama. But there's, what was that other one you talked about? It was about, how koe tangi ana. That's another cool one. Why are you crying?
Oh, yes.
How koe tangi ana. So she could be crying at that point in time and you're going, how koe tangi ana?
E tangi ana. Oh, it's so good too, because you guys have just like reminded me of all these other ways I can be saying things. Because I've been doing a lot of he aha te raru.
Yeah.
Like a lot of that. And he aha tō mate.
Ha te mate.
Pai tēnā,
Yeah. Ha te mate.
And actually, I just remembered something. I, while hapu, read a post about telling the dates and how we're doing it from a Gregorian calendar and we're trying to add in Māori months that are now named after stars instead of the Kupu Mino ones, and it's totally getting lost. So when I went to go put up the photo of my baby, like to be like, hey, she's here, and you know, you usually put in their birth date, I was like, oh my God, I need to get this right. Because I just read that post about writing dates. Like, I don't want to keep doing that. So I ended up just writing it all in Kupu Mino way.
Yep.
So I didn't want to mix like a traditional Māori star with a
Number.
Kupu Mino.
With the number, yeah.
Number.
It's either choose a strand and follow that strand, like how Rangi says. If it's on this date, use that date. Or if it's in this maramataka, use that maramataka.
Yes.
Yeah.
So can we clarify that a bit? So she was born on the 21st of September, but if I wanted to say born in Mahuru.
What was the moon on the 21st? It must have been post Rākau Nui, because
Yeah, it was.
Well, then, yeah.
it would have been pre-Mahuru, because the whiro of that is Mahuru. Is that how it goes? Anyway. But yeah, I know what
You'll have to
mean.
go back on your maramataka and have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if I was to want to write it in that way, rather than a date, a number date, I'd put
Whānau mai i te, whatever the
Rākau
marama
Nui,
was.
Rākau Mātou,
Or-
ke takirau. What's after the takirau's? It's the tangaroas. It might have been on a tangaroa, and it would have been
Nah, it was just after Tangaroa.
or was it just after tangaroa? On a waning.
Yeah, and
A wane in the manger? No.
te mutingi ho kei a koe te tikanga.
Kei a koe te tikanga, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. But if you wanted to, you could. And I think, because everyone knows about the first baby post.
Yeah. You're all waiting for it.
Yeah. I whānau mai, tēnei te maiti.
But I know too, just, while you're having a look what the date was, or the marama, just to share a page, koutou ngai Taringa mā, Māori for grown-ups. There's some cool resources on there.
Tika.
Hei whakamahi mā ngā mātua. There's a few short karakia
Kia ora.
you can use with your pēpi, with your tamariki.
yeah, yep.
I te wā moe, te
Wā
wā
moe,
oho.
ai.
Yeah, we do ai o ana te rangi
Yeah.
at night and tūtawa. Well, I kind of don't do it in the morning, but more like when I'm in her room and I'll see it on because I've got it printed out on the wall. And I'll be like, oh, tūtawa mai runga, tūtawa mai. Those are our two karakia that
Yeah,
we
cool.
do with her. Anyway, I found the moon. It was okoro.
Okoro.
Te okoro o
Mahuru?
ana.
Was it Mahuru? I think.
Yeah,
I
was
think
it?
No, of that whiro, the next whiro was Mahuru.
So it
Well,
technically
whenever it
would
was,
have
it was
been...
te okoro o.
Yeah, okoro
Yeah.
o taua.
And then if you want to write te mea mino e muri mai, then that's good too.
Yeah.
Te okoro o whatever it was, whether it was mahuru or still here turi koka.
Yeah, yeah.
And then te date.
The 21st of September, hepetema,
Hepetema.
teni wana, teni.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're just making up words right now or...
Always.
Moio koe, kei te moio koe. You've been gone toru mara mane.
Yep.
But yeah, that hasn't changed.
Tai mea kare tani panoni.
Yeah.
And be careful with that because I've set my girls up. Ka haere a tāniko ki tana kura, ka timata rātou ki te kōrero mo te tinana. Ka pātae te kaiako, hea e e toho ana ki aku waiwai. Ka kia e ia, he whiti. Like, oh, mo taku he
He whiti.
Nā papa i he ai. Koina tā mātou kōrero i te kainga. Whiti.
That's your ngāpuhi ways though, isn't it?
Ngāpui, kainga, ti...
It's Puaheri ways,
yeah,
I think.
it's Puaheri way. Puaheri whatitapu. But yeah, te tiwi, nā te mea he
TV.
he tere ake te whakahua i te tiwi i te pauka whakata.
Yeah.
Tiwi ai.
Whakaweto he te tiwi. Turn the tiwi over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hea e tehi o, what's some of your advice to mothers? Ka te no ka whānau pepe mai or expecting? What's some of your advice in terms of using te reo with baby?
Just try is the main thing. I mean, that's all I'm doing is trying. And then we always listen to iwi radio in the car. I go between Netflix and the te reo channel or Māori television and then back to Netflix again when I'm over it. And then back to the other one when I'm over Netflix. But yeah, I don't know. You're just, all you can really do is try.
Yeah.
Ka pai.
Yeah.
Ka mātai hia.
And I guess the good thing is I do want to get it right, obviously, but my baby doesn't know if I'm not getting it right, so she's not judging me. Yeah.
Me nui te rā, whakamātai hia.
Yeah. Patua te whakamā.
Yeah. And it builds your conversational skills
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of my lines that people, it's like, the best people to practice with are your kids. They're unforgiving, and when they might get to an age where they correct you, and that's cute.
Yeah.
You know, but just it is the best time because I know with mamas and newborns it's a bit of a lonely path because Papa does what Papa does,
Yeah.
and Mum as always spends the most time with baby, and so you end up having your little conversations with them. So
Yeah.
it's the best time to
And it's good
Glad.
for them too.
yeah.
Just helping to already, like, not that they can verbalize words yet, but you're already instilling some vocabulary into their mind.
Oh yeah, I think we totally underestimate or look what baby is taking in
Yeah.
from the time of birth, even before.
Yeah.
Very interesting, you know, te whakaaro ai mo te whakaaro Māori, you know, we talking in third person.
Aye.
So I know we do that a lot with kids. And, you know, rongo au i ngā, te tiro kia māma.
Aye.
Look at mum. Engari kare tātou e pēra.
Yeah.
But it's quite natural now to say, look at mum.
Yeah.
Instead of saying te tiro mai ki au.
Yeah.
Or te tiro mai ki au ki a māma. Look at me, mum.
Yeah.
So, yeah, those are all interesting wānanga.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you know, there's no, hare te mea kinora wātu te kōrero pēra.
Aye.
But, you know, when you say, te tiro atu ki a whaia,
Aye.
it sounds strange, eh?
Yep.
Like
Yeah.
say, te tiro ki a māma, whakarongo ki a māma, whakarongo ki a whaia. Sounds of it,
Yeah.
whakarongo ki a matua.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I think those are interesting conversations to have in terms of how we talk to our pepe.
Are you talking about
Tamari.
mama and fire? just then and there. It
Well,
becomes
if I
about
was, he nui ngā wā, ka kite au te whaia, e kore ona ki te pepe. Te tiro ki a mama, look at mum, when she's talking to the baby.
Yeah.
You don't have to talk in third person, but it's something
Yeah.
we all do
We all
Yeah.
do. Aye.
with babies. Even te pērahia o tō tātou reo.
Aye.
Yeah, te tararara i tō tātou reo.
Yeah.
We can't help it.
Yeah,
can't
I know.
It's like,
Kia o whakaru pērā rātou i ngā wā o mua? Kau.
Ki oku whakaro.
Wow. Ei, ki te whakarongo ki ngā oriori, hare i te me he māma te reo.
Yeah, hara.
E hara.
Mo ētahi kaupapa hohonu pai i roto i wena ngā oriori. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Those oriori are deep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so no, it is true when they go, oh, we don't want them to learn that yet. It's like,
They can, though. They're totally capable of it.
Ana.
But going to how you were just mentioning the way we talk to babies, one thing that me and my partner have been kind of mindful of is we hear a lot of people putting S's on the ends of things. Like, oh, you want a kakais?
you want a cockeyes?
Yeah.
You want a Therese?
Yeah. But I'm like,
moist.
I don't know. I don't-
Yeah.
Personally, we don't like it.
Nah,
So
yeah.
we're just being mindful of and making sure we don't do that.
Yeah. And tika tau, because I know some adults that still speak baby to each other, to their parents, because I think I pērā rawa tā rātou. Kōrero kei wainga nui a rawa i a rātou.
Yeah.
So not to get too babyish in terms of your conversation.
Yeah, so try not to go too babyish.
Yeah. And I'm saying that in a reflective sense, talking to my youngest where I didn't speak like that with my eldest. Yeah.
Well, so when you had your eldest, you were still heavily on a reo journey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oi, kore e mutu. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it never ends. But when your youngest came along, you were obviously way more advanced in your reo. Did you notice any differences?
Yeah, it was, you may have the opportunity to do this, where everything is experimental for the first. And people were like, thinking of my friends and whānau who have 3+, that it gets easier and easier, or there are things that you don't stress that much with the second, and the reo is, the second is one as well.
Yeah.
So we had, kupa, toko mauri, tini, unuhia, whētiki, all those kupu I had, myself and my partner had already gained some experience with.
Yeah.
So they became easier and easier. And yeah.
So you're like more comfortable with using those once your second came along?
Yeah. But it's just like another, say if you start doing something new, it's a whole nother language that you have to learn.
Yeah.
Regardless of what language, you just have to learn the language of that mahi. And so, with having babies, it's a whole nother language, whole nother world, whole nother new language. And then it doesn't stop because they get to another state. And Te Manahau said it, you go to the playground and you're like, how tēnā, like, what's a swing, what's a slide, all that stuff. And then they come back with homework and then there's another language you've got to learn. Pāngarau if you didn't do aho matua, pāngarau and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So you just got to take to it.
Yeah. Another one that I often do with her is try and describe the weather.
Oh, pai, that's real good.
I'll be like, e pūpuhi ana ngā hau. Is it o or a tāwhiri mātia? A tāwhiri mātia. He kā pua i te rangi.
Yeah, rawa tērā.
Yeah. And then that's when you're like, oh, he ua kōpatapata, he ua aha rāne. Is this what type of rain is this?
And then my partner, one of their waiata from last Matatini was e ua, e te ua. And I'm like, oh.
And I think it was raining that time when they were singing.
Yeah, it was.
It was. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, i a koe tiko teach way to our waiata o te wiki. E kōrero ana koe mō te waiata. He rawe ngā kōrero. And kāre kore ka puta mai e tehi pātai.
Aye.
And maybe some other mātua, mama and papa can share.
Aye, kia ora.
Yeah, definitely.
What they say with their pēpi. Ko te mea nui ki au kei te whakatōko i te reo.
Kia ora.
I roto i te pēpi, kei te poipoi, ko i te pēpi hi roto i te reo. And he mea nui tērā. Nui rawa atu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ai.
Whakatōngia te reo, kaua ko maharahara.
Yeah.
Whakatōngia te reo, yeah.
Nō reira, hea te waiata o te wiki.
Tohora nui, tohora roa, tohora ti no momona.
cool.
Ka pai. That wasn't it. That's just the intro.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't know, we might have been able to go with that.
Yeah, we could have run that one.
There's a little preview.
Yeah.
It's one of those favourites.
One of those favourites, especially for our pēpis.
Ana.
I just did it, yes.
Yes, you
For our
did.
pēpis.
Wai no he te ui whakarongo mai.
Ora nui, ora roa, ora tina mamona, ora puha puha, fiore piu piu e, ora kau ana te moana e. Puaka nui, puaka roa, puaka tina mamona, puaka kune kune, fiore koro piko, puaka hongi hongi te paru e. Ora nui, ora roa, ora tina mamona, ora puha puha, fiore piu piu e, ora kau ana te moana e. Ora kau ana te moana e. Iau e hi.
Well, it's lovely having you back.
Tino.
Oh, it's really
Mama
good to
E.
be back. I was looking forward to coming today.
Yeah.
And I guess it made it easier knowing that coming to the Wānanga, such a whānau-centric place
Kia ora.
that, you know, there's people practically begging me to babysit her here.
I know.
So it was good that I could feel comfortable to bring my baby in.
See, I'm sensing that in you. Normally there's some acts with new mamas like, where's baby? You're just chilled. You're like, well, unless you're enjoying the time. Because, you know, your mates out there, they all, yeah.
I was hoping that Maya would be in for some of it because I thought we might capture some baby.
Yeah, some baby.
Iaia,
She
e-
loves a
te
kōrero.
oro pēpi.
Aye.
Iaia, hoi anō, e harai te me whakamutinga tēnei e te tuahine. I know she'll be coming back in over the weeks and months kei mua I te aroaro.
Aye.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I've got to get her on one of those kohanga waiting lists, so it could be a while.
Tika o kia kaha kia koe, and e mihi tonu ana kia koutou e te iwi nui tonu. Me tēnei kaupapa miharo rawātu I tēnei rā te reo ki te pēpi. Me he mea he whakaaro anō koutou. If you have any other whakaaro, pātai, put them on our page, and you will hear from us again soon. Hei kona maira.
Hei kona.
Bit whakarongo pi kari kari. Gather up close everybody buddy. Taringa. Yeah, tahuri mai ki o. Whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds. Kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā kona whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira. Whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Hare mai, o Taringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Taringa, he mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa, ā nā te māngai pāho I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe. Taringa, whakarongo mai.